Hello, my name is Daniel Castro, and we're in TED 632. This is for the initial discussion, and one discussion is how do we differentiate instruction? Well, that's something that as teachers we're going to have to do. One thing is we're going to have all types of students in our classroom. We're going to have students that are English language learners. You're going to have students who are learning disabled or special needs. You're going to have students who are very successful in your classroom. You're going to have students who are average, and you're going to have students who are struggling. Um, and as teachers, we have to prepare our lessons plans to make sure that they're getting the quality education they need. Well, for example, let's say I am teaching a lesson on the Holocaust, and we're just doing the Nazi propaganda and how that affected the Jewish community and non-Aryan communities. First and foremost, we'll be doing a small group activity, and we'll be analyzing certain pictures. For those pictures, it'll be part of the Common Core where they have to interpret primary sources. And the way I can differentiate that is one, for example, the students who are doing it, if the students are done, right, and they're finished, one thing is you give them extra work or you have help students who are struggling. Um, Another thing you can do is students who are special needs. Those students might be having trouble taking notes. They might have trouble focusing because of disabilities. So you have to prepare in advance to have special handouts ready for them. Um, and those are handouts of your notes, your lecture notes, and so they can either a copy them down before or after school, or they're copied to keep, and that will make things a little easier. Students who are English language learners, if you're if you are in a classroom where it's dominated by English language learners, you gotta choose your techniques, and one of those techniques we could do is Sadai. Um, and we just gotta bridge things. We gotta use a lot of visuals. We have to use a lot of graphic organizers. A lot of things that goes into our lesson to make sure the students have a quality education and they understand what the students are supposed to learn. Um, Another thing is you can have students who are struggling. Those are the students that you might want in groups. You're gonna try to pair up with students who are successful, and those are the students that you might want. You know, students you want to keep an eye on. But two, we're gonna partner up with a student who is successful and they can help them out and will mind helping out. And the way you do it is you give them, or you can also give them extra time to do work. You're flexible with your lessons. Just things that, or your lesson with them turning in the work, and just give them, hey, if you're not done, take it for homework. You know, but yeah, there's many ways you could do your lesson plans and prepare for your multiple populations in your classroom. Thanks.